Hello friends, today I am going to introduce Denmark Dairy Farm where I am working born in Beijing. This is my farm and this is my mini tractor where I use for push the food, and it helps me in hundreds of works in dairy farm. I will show you. यहाँ पर we have 300 milking cows this side as you are looking, and here's the heifers about 9 months, 10 months, 12 months.